Are you gonna stay, Tina?
I'm here.
Did you win
Meow. Kaalay. That's so mean. Change it to cats. Sabay, sabay.
Where was the game yesterday? Where was the game? Here. Well,
Yeah.
Solen's game was here.
Friends game was here yesterday, 7:40. Ayla 6:40 and then Solen 7:40.
Well done.
Oh my god. But it's a drive, long drive, no? Yeah.
Meow. Where's the meow yesterday?
Alin? Ah!
Sabrina, hindi. Kaya pala Sabrina. Sabrina kung Sabrina siya. Tingnan mo, tinanggal niya na sapatos niya. Baka magasgal.
Oh, ah.
No, stop!
Tab. May mga... Ayun. Kay Sophia agad.
Shoot! Go!
Go get it, Parker. Oh. Oh. Grab the ball. Live ako kasi yung mga lola hindi na nakakanood daw.
So, kailangan.
Ang tagal. Ano ka ba? Okay lang yan. Gusto nila yung mga ganyan.
Please, may ano ba?
Gusto nila ng mga ganyan.
Sabi mo maingay dito.
Selena, nakatingin, nakalollipop kayo lahat. Tingnan mo, oh. Oh, titingnan niya, oh. Oh, tingin-tingin lang siya. sama, naglalaway pa. Ah! Ira!
Ay, pinadilaan.
Last one, okay? No mo.
Another one.
Na. Mahirapan ako pakainin.
Nakanganga na nga eh.
Nakatikim na siya eh. Gusto niya ulit balik-balikan. Pero pag kumakain ako ng ice cream stick, kung may natitira ng konti, yung nabinibigyan ko.
Hindi ako delikado sa ano, pinapakain ko, balas. Bless you.
Naku na, ano na ako kay Seti? Siguro pinatanggal ko lahat ng ngipin.
Pero wala yun doon sa candy.
Ano ba yun? Ano yung kapag-brush ka?
Ano talaga, may mga batang gano'n. Kasi, Mrs. Maisha! Yes, lahat siya, di ba? Di ba siya babunutin mo siya? Dumami pa nga ngipin ng anak. Pero talaga yata na ano, na bata
Baka sa
na
Seti.
yung nakaloob yung ngipin nila.
Yeah.
Yung nabubulok sa loob,
No.
sa labas may ganon.
Let's go. 10 ngipin ba naman binuno? Under
may
ano
ganon.
siya? Under anesthesia siya.
Parang si Moira. Si Moira nga yung ano.
May mga silver cut pa rin siya.
Yung pina-surgery pala nila talaga. Pinarad pa nila yung surgery.
Yung bata naman, tutubo naman ulit yun.
Yeah. Pero kawawa lang kasi kapag pag nasa under anesthesia siya.
Ano?
Kawawa.
Yun yung kaibigan namin. Kung mahal sila man video. Talaga surgery.
Oh, libre lang dito.
May bayad sila.
Ano sa kanila ba? Ano? Tinubuan ng ibig si Seth?
Hindi pa. Kaya wala pa mga...
Kasi kanya ano eh, kapahanda na pa.
Hindi pa. Nasa loob. Parang ano yata yung genes nila. Pag lahat, dalawang anak niya sa tatlo.
Ganun din.
Where are you gonna stay? Where are you staying there?
Good luck on that.
Ask Colette yung page.
Open! No, it's okay. Oh. Good try.
Alamanin yung pass. Saan date nyo? Wala.
May date kayo?
Wala. Badminton din ba ito siya, mami?
Ganito na yung date namin.
Ano pala yung nangyari dun sa batang taga-yellow team na dinarap ng nanay dito. Ang game nila is nasa
Kabila.
ton.
Wala.
Si Prit kasi yung isang kanina, hindi na ano. Hindi
Kuting-
nababasa ng
kuting natin?
Oo, under 10 yellow. Girls.
Yeah. Oh no.
Dito dinarap ng nanay. Umalis siya na.
Oh no. Paano ko ba ito, Izo?
Guys! Guys! Guys!
Sophia, you okay? Because it's cold.
Shoot it, shoot.
So, trouble. Selena! Mwah! Mwah!
Buwan na ng flowers sa ulo.
Mwah! No? Okay. Let's go, Seth! Pass to Puha. Oh, good try. Go, Karen! Go, Karen! Go! 8 seconds. Alright. Wiggly, 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 wiggly. Kasi sabi niya, nag-try out daw si Puha sa ano, the future bread. Nakuha. Yeah. Sabi ko nga eh. Oh my God! Yeah!
That's so cute.
That is so cute! Try it on Selena. Let's see. Selena's a big baby.
What
Size
size
one.
is that? Mom, can you keep average bottle just in case she comes to pick it?
Just put it on top.
Actually, you can put it on her. And then I'll put my bag.
Yeah! Yeah! Anisha, do you mind taking the video first?
Now? You want it now? See, she looks pretty. She has her flower and everything today. Oh, is this live? Wait, what's this live on? Tita, what's this live on? It says live.
Yeah, right?
Live where?
Right?
Live. Live where? Oh.
Because Lola's watching. Lola. 2 Lolas are watching. Or they can watch it later.
Oh.
Is it on top? Or you can still see the inside?
Okay, let's go downstairs.
Keep her walking.
Here you go.
It's on. Oh, thank you, Anisha.
Welcome.
Yeah, look at that! Don't make her cry now, otherwise she's gonna move. She's gonna move. Ah, look at that! Ah! Yay! Stand up, Selena! More na mag-posing. Mga ganun-ganun siya eh. Stand up! And now your first photo shoot. Ay! Parang lalo siya pumuti sa itim. Oh, oh. Oh my God!
Oh my God! Reverse! Reverse!
Oh. Ito na talaga ang playground yun eh. Dito na siya lumaki.
Hindi kami nakanood kagabi. Katok sa ano kasi hindi siya makalabas eh.
Ang lamig na kasi yun.
Kumusta yung game nila?
Comeback, 20 points.
Hindi kami nakanood, may choir.
Next time, marami pang mga games sa mga yan. Naka-grading pa rin tayo hanggang ngayon eh.
Abay, pa din.
Ay, ano ba yan? Ano eh? Nag-struggle si Sophia. Paano ko ba ito tatanggalin? Ah! She doesn't know how to take it off. Go, Cohen! Go! Ay! Whoop! Oo, grabe. Parang mga under 10 doon. Mga under 12 to mga to.
I'm not gonna drive. Stepping, oh, stepping. Okay, good.
Oh, yes! Good job, Seth! Let's go, catch up, boys! Nice, Shetty, go! Oh, didn't pass.
Okay, go.
Ah! Para naman palo sebo. Get the ball, Shetty! Get the ball! Oh, shot clock! Shot clock! What's happening? What's happening? Look at it. Go, Seth! 11! 10! Huh? What is happening? Ano nangyari sa coach? Parang napaka-hype niya, no?
Ano oras tayo pupunta? Inland pa lang eh. Marami tayong nasasayang na oras eh. Tapos mamaya maghahagilap tayo ng ano. Sige, record mo like yan.
Sino yan? Ano ba nangyari?
Hindi kasi mauubos yung oras. May bibilin pa to. Kung maghahantay
Go,
kami
go, go.
isang kayo.
Aka na yan, Serena.
Kami aalis na to.
Kasi anong oras na yung kay Samantha?
2:45 ang game
Oh.
sa Samantha. 2:45.
Tapos na magka-coach din siya sa ano, di ba? 14. Go!
Magre-referee pa siya. Hintayin namin.
Oh, sayang ang mga oras.
Sayang yung oras natin.
Eh.
Mamaya na wala pang text.
Wala pa siya.
Hindi pa nagme-message si tita eh.
What's the message?
Sinabi
Sige lang, sige lang.
Kasi
Go.
Baka meron pa sa ating memory yan.
magda-date kaya? Ba yan?
Yun na yung date.
Mag-date tayo maglaba.
Naglagay ka ng kandila.
Oo. Washing with candlelight.
With candlelight.
Yeah, early.
Tingnan mo ha. Bababasa ko sa'yo yung sinabi ni Kita.
Agoy! What are you doing? I'm not gonna charming you. Why are you gonna yell at me? Dad, what's in your shoe? If you keep acting like that, you're not going. Ava, you're gonna flip.
Wala pa sila. Yan, may pagod.
Ayan, anytime after 1
After 1 p.m.
Papalit.
Cinderella. Cinderella.
Lydia! What happened to her shoes?
Oh, look at Selena. Pag may nagbubuhat talaga sa kanyang paglalaki, diretso agad sa chest.
Your shoes are
Oo,
dirty.
ganyan yung palagi.
I know.
Iwanan natin si ate. She doesn't wanna go. Let's go and buy you some.
I'll go with you. Ava, wanna come? Let's go. Lydia, can we take Ava to the girls? We'll come back.
Yeah, we're gonna sell her.
Are you okay with Selena? Mike! Joseph! Mahilig siya mag ano. Oh. Papa cute. S-E-L-E.
Bye-bye daw.
S-E-L-E-N-A. Bye! Bye!
My baby!
Ayun! See you later! See you later! Mike, okay ka lang? Ah! Pass it, go ahead. It's okay, it's cross the court. That's okay. Good job. Zoom it out. Ah. Queenie. Ay! Oh, sati. Bravo! Good. Oh, Buha! Yes! Go, Buha! Laway, laway, laway. Bigyan mo lang sa akin, Michael. Let's watch. Let's watch. Ah, hello. Hi, Tito Ino. Hi, Tito Ino. Hi. Mwah. 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 Say hi. Hi. Tada. Tada. Bye. Oh. Oh.
Oh my goodness, everybody left Jason.
You wanna go? Wanna go? Wanna go? Yeah. Ano ba yung zoom ko? Naiinis naman ako. So, zooming. Talina! Oh, oh, oh! That's cool. Mm. Hindi ko ma-zoom. How do I zoom it? There you go. Go, Sid! Let's go, Sid! Pass, pass, pass! Oh, short.
Jason!
Yes! Oh! Get the ball back, girls. Ah, boy. Let's go, Dion! Pass it, pass it, pass it. They left.
Over now, Dave!
Bravo! Let's go, Flames! Let's go, Flames! Oh, good strike. What? What happened? Let's go, Roger! Oh!
Defense!
No, rebound! Rebound! Ah, no. Genie! 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 Let's go, Dion! Let's go, Puha! Oh,
Get it, Ace!
rebound, rebound! Nice! Oh, that was so close.
Bounce!
Rebound!
Ace!
Oh, get it, get it, get it. Oh, save it, save it.
Go back!
Oh. Joseph! Oh. Papa! She likes it. try Ace. Move, 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 move. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go, sir! What is happening? Something going on there. Gulo-gulo. What happened? Oh. So cute. Second half. No. What happened? Let's go, sir! Nag-aaway-aaway na sila. Nice! Well done, sir!